In today's video, I show how I install this cheap Amazon steering stabilizer on a Harley Sportster. This is the universal motorcycle steering stabilizer that I got off of Amazon. And this is the universal 39 millimeter clamp that works with this stabilizer that I also got off of Amazon. So the steering stabilizer didn't come with the mounting bracket, so I had to use some angle iron that I had laying around to make my own bracket. I cut it down to about 4 inches length, and then I split it to about a 1/2 inch wide, and I welded it all together to create the bracket. I had to weld a nut on the top of it to mount it, and had to cut out a couple of slots in it so it could fit around the triple tree. And that's how it looks all marked up. After that, I had to smooth it out on my grinding wheel, get all the nicks and burrs out of it before I prepare to prime it and paint it. Next, I mounted up the 39 millimeter clamp to my left fork leg with the included hardware. And then I primed it. And then painted it. Lastly, I mounted it to the bike using 2 1/2-inch spacers and 1 1-inch spacer. And here it is, all mounted up. say this is a job well done. All right, y'all. Until next time, I'm out.